Moving on now, Lakhimpur Kheri BJP MLA Lokendra Pratap Singh along with dozens of his supporters barged into a police station of Lakhimpur Kheri at the middle of the night, forcibly freed an accused who was put in lockup because he was accused of eve teasing. This video on your screens is from that police station in which you can see MLA supporters threatening and abusing the police. Listen in to what exactly transpired.
अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है? अरे कोई बैरक की चाबी कहीं दी है कोई बोलिए? अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है?
हम जेल जाइए, अब जेल जाइए, लोग जेल।
अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है? अरे कोई बैरक की चाबी कहीं दी है कोई बोलिए? अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है?
हम जेल जाइए, अब जेल जाइए, लोग जेल।
अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है? अरे कोई बैरक की चाबी कहीं दी है कोई बोलिए? अरे बैरक चाबी किसके पास है?
Prashant is with us on the phone line for more on this. Now, Prashant, it seems like in Uttar Pradesh, MLAs there think they're above the law. On one hand, we have an MLA whose aide is now absconding after shooting a 46-year-old in broad daylight and killing him. On the other hand, we have supporters of this MLA who decided it was okay to take law into their own hands, go into a lockup, threaten the police and free an accused.
And all of this, Poonam, right in the presence of the BJP MLA himself. Now this gives you a sense of all the law and order situation and the kind of pressure that the UP police is working under. Because when the rulers themselves try to become the destroyers of the law and order, this is what comes out. Now this incident happened late on Friday night when the MLA along with dozens of supporters in fact tried to go to the police station to free an accused of eve teasing. Now this is a safe government that talks about women empowerment and security for women and formed several particle things like anti-Romeo gangs and all. But when someone is arrested, when someone is taken to task, it's the MLAs, the elected representatives who try to throw their weight behind and free the accused there.